We need to get rid of this ugly OEM exhaust. Nobody can hear him. Brand new Hindle exhaust. I mean, I used it for, I don't know, I think like less than a year or so, but it's gonna fit and match perfectly on his bike. I'm gonna show you guys how to change the seat cowl on one of these Ninja 500s and show you how stupid it is that they're not completely interchangeable. When you take off the rear seat, you then have to install a little clip in order to get the seat cowl to fit, so that's kind of stupid. You're just gonna need a normal screwdriver down here for this little clamp, and then that's going to loosen the shield that's around the OEM exhaust. So that's done. On the side, that holds the outer shield to the exhaust as well. And slide. So there we go. Okay, so there's the little shield all the way off as well. This is just a little 10 mil socket. Boom. That whole thing comes off. We still want that OEM casing. 15. Boom, crack it. Alright. Boom. Yeah, this one slides off so easy. If you're doing a Hindle, there's like this certain angle that you want it at, which is kind of more so like this. Let's do WD-40 though. We got lucky, brother. That was easy as fuck. Look how sick the exhaust looks on this one. Oh my god, it looks so good. Boom. That's how easy it is to turn your silent Ninja 500 into a little ripper that you have to add on there. This one has a latch that goes down to the left so that it goes underneath here. Well, this one, they made it so that the latch goes on top and fits this way. So it's like, why have this one go this way and this one go that way? Makes no sense. So I have to always remember where this is every time I want to put my seat cowl on, which is all the time, because the seat cowl looks so much better than just the black leather. That's really stupid that you did that with that ring that attaches on the back side here. From if you have these little hanger type tools, it's really easy because you just stretch it out like this. You just throw it right into place, and then that keeps it locked in. Oh, music to my ears. Let her sit. Let's hear mine real quick. Pretty much the same thing, just a little snappier. Just a little snappier. But I like honestly, the all silver pipe with the silver stainless steel looks really, really good. I do miss that look, but again, blacked out with the gold matches mine so good. So, yep, both of these can't miss exhaust for the Ninja 500, Hindle and Kaufman.